So, to KD and the Warriors, I just got one thing to say. How do you go up against a team named the Suns, but they were looking like the dads out there? I mean, seriously, they were dominating the Warriors. So if you guys watched the Warriors versus the Phoenix Suns full game highlights, tell me what you think in the comment section. The Warriors won by 6. What's going on with the Warriors? If they're winning by 6 against the Suns, what about the Cavs? Now, of course, everybody thought that the Warriors would be invincible with KD on the team. Now, of course, the Warriors are trying to get to work as a team, you know, because they just got KD now. So the chemistry is not all there yet. There's a lot of talent, not enough chemistry, which is bad. They're winning by 6, but KD, he went for about 30+ points. So KD is still showing up, doing his thing. It's not a surprise. We all know that KD can ball. That's no surprise, but they won by 6. So if you guys watched the full game highlights, tell me what you thought of the game in the comment section. I just want to hear your guys' opinion, because the Warriors, we all thought they were going to be invincible, but I mean, we have to give them time for them to start going as a team. But to me, it's just, this season will be fun, because if the team like the Suns losing by 6, I think that when they go up against the Cavs or the Thunder, it will be competitive, and I would love to see the Warriors go up against LeBron James and Kyrie Irving. I mean, just go up against the Cavs and the Thunder. It will be fun to watch, but the Warriors with KD are winning by 6 points against the Suns. It's gonna be a crazy season. I can't wait for the rest. But tell me what you thought in the comment section down below.